Hello folks, welcome back to my channel once again. My name is Justice and this is Mr. J Graphics. Please, today I'm going to show you how to design a church poster. Please do me a favor, subscribe to this channel, and anytime I drop a new video, you'll be the first person to get it. Just click on the like button. Without much further ado, let's jump right into the video. Now we go back to Photoshop. Then we're going to create, the size of the design. So I'm going to use pixels, and now I'm going to type 1500 here to 1500. Then I'm going to type in the resolution will be 75. Here we go. Now let's do this right here. Now I'll go for rectangle. I'll draw right here. I really love this, so I'm going to rasterize it because I want to apply effect on this on the image. So I'm going to rasterize. Without being rasterized, I can't add any effect to the shape. Oops, I need to change the color. I don't need this color, so I'll change it to something like this. Okay, here we go. Take a look at the code. This is the code right here. So if you want to use the same color, you just type the code. When you click here, the color will come, the color panel will come, then you pick up this one. So let's go. Now after that, we're going to rasterize it. After rasterize, we go to I'll come to noise. Let me apply filter gallery. Once I'm done that, okay, something like that. Then I press OK. Let me apply noise effect as well. So you come in here, filter, and you look for noise. You add noise. You decrease the noise a little bit like that. Here we go. Very nice. I'm going to lock it so that it will not distract me too. So I'm going to click on the lock here to lock it. Now I'm going to I'll change the color to black because I want black. Alright. Now I'll change the font. I'll change the name of the font to Playfair. I'll leave the name of the font in a link description so that you can check that out. If you want to download it, you can download it. So I'm going to type in the title of the I'm going to do fire. This is what it's going to do, is what I want. So I'll increase it a little bit. And I'm going to place it somewhere here. Now I'm going to I'm going to bring in my resources. So let's go for the resources. Resources. I'm going to use this tool for the design. So I'm going to remove some of the effect right here. So let's take a look. I'll use then I'm going to Once you click, you just have to click. When you click again on the line. Now right click here and turn it this way. Alright. Something like that. Okay. Something like this. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring in, I don't need it anymore, so I just had to going to bring in my picture. I'm going to place it somewhere here and increase it a little bit. I'm going to create a layer mask, then use my brush tool. I'm going to decrease the size and then make sure my foreground color is black. Then I'll just get rid of this. Just get rid of this. So now I'm going to apply noise to it. Then I'm going to change it and change the blending mode to luminosity, like that. Now I'm going to change the font to add noise, so I'll come to filter, add noise. Okay, so something like that. And now I'm going to add magic tool. Just click it and click here as well. Then I'll drag in to this place. And I'll place it somewhere here. Then I'll go for my text tool, write the name, that is Power Giants. Power Giants Embassy. Power Giants Embassy. I'm going to place it somewhere here, like that. Now I'm going to change the color to black, to ash color or something like that. Now I need to change the font to something like this. Is what? The name of the font, Geometry 21-2. I think that's okay for me, right? Let me space it a little bit and then increase this one. Space it like that. Okay, and increase the size a little bit. Now I'm gonna type in anticipate, anticipate, I'm going to spread it. Let me create some shape right there. Change the color. Let's see if I can pick color from here. Then change. Change the color to red. White. Then close the gap a little bit. Let me divide so that I'll do it in order. 50% on my keyboard to divide the page. Then I push to fix in the middle. I'm looking at it through the middle point, the middle knot. Okay, so it's very simple. So how do you see this work? Let me hear your comments. How do you see this work? Something simple. So let me hear your comments. How you see about this design. I'm going to create all these ones. I'm creating. I need to rasterize it. Rasterize it and add noise. I'm going to add noise to this one. You see, whenever you add noise, the thing you have already rasterized. So there is no way if you want to, my advice for you that if a beginner and you want to make rasterize, if you want to create noise for any text or image, make sure you duplicate it before, especially when you are adding noise or either noise or filter gallery to images, text. Make sure you duplicate the text before you continue by adding the effect, so that once you want to make changes, you can go back and make changes. This one I've already rasterized it. There is no way I can make, once the work is saved and I close and open again, there is no way I can make changes. So put that in mind. Okay, so this is the end of the tutorials. I know this is helpful for you. Please kindly do me a favor and subscribe and be part of this awesome family. Share to your loved ones, and also you can also follow us on Instagram, Mr. J Graphics. This is the end of this tutorial. See you on my next video. Bye.